All right, so this afternoon we're out here to swap out a Rainbird DV valve. This one doesn't have a flow control on it. The one we're going to be installing does, and that will help us to troubleshoot the issue that we're having with this zone, which is a low pressure issue, but that could be because the diaphragm is not opening completely. And when we replace this and put it into that should solve our problem. We're going to find out in just a minute here.
Oh, that one's clean.
Well, replacing that first valve didn't solve the problem entirely. It solved the problem on that one zone, but it did give us the ability to adjust that zone so we could see the other ones and the other problems we were having. Let's go swap out another top. I think we found the problem. Maybe it's that rock right there. Well, we'll get that out, replace the guts and the top, and we'll get this system back up and running. All right, so this is the result of our troubleshooting and our repair.